Hello and welcome to the Online College of Coding video tutorial series. This is the 6th video of the series on getting started with GameMaker. In this video we will be looking at the GML scripting method of programming within GameMaker. Before starting this video, it is recommended that you have seen this series from the beginning, starting with the video on the GameMaker interface. GML is the abbreviation for GameMaker language, which is the name of the coding language that the GameMaker engine uses. GameMaker language is specific to GameMaker. It isn't used by anyone or anything else. Although GML has no use outside of GameMaker, it is similar to languages like Java, C#, and C++, which are some of the most common languages in the games programming industry. That makes GML a great language to learn as a beginner, because not only is it a lot less complex than the other languages, but also, because it shares those similarities, it becomes a stepping stone up to learning them. In GML, all code is written either into files called script files or into code actions. They're virtually the same thing, but script files can be reused over and over again, whereas actions are specific to particular objects. Basically, these code files are like sets of instructions. Any object that you attach them to will follow those instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and start typing some code into here. Notice that as I'm typing code, there's a window that pops up where I select something. That's called IntelliSense. While you type code, GameMaker pops up this IntelliSense window and tries to guess what you want to type. It then suggests the options that you might be trying to type, where you can select one from the list. This is to make sure that you're typing the correct variables and function names that you intended to, and to prevent spelling errors and things like that. It also just makes it quicker if you're trying to type a long name. Most game engines, including Unity and the code editor that it uses, have IntelliSense. Becoming familiar with IntelliSense is a great way to decrease the time it takes you to type code, and also to decrease the errors that you have. When you're typing GML code, you'll notice that all of the text is colored. This is to help you know what you've typed and sort of if you've typed what you intended to type. As you can see here, symbols like the equal signs, our operators, brackets, and also declared variables, which we don't have any of at the moment, are all grey. Words that are orange, they can be two things. Keywords like if, for, or while, and also parentheses, just like this, and our functions. This one, a random range function, you can see is orange. The red sort of maroon text are all the built-in variables like direction, speed, image angle, and also the raw data values, 0.4, 0.1, 90, those sort of things. Thanks for tuning into this Getting Started with GameMaker series. This has been the final video. Now that you've finished this set of tutorials, feel free to go and check out one of the intermediate programming courses. See you there.